What do I love about summertime? Going to the beach. Going to the beach, going to the beach, going to the beach.
Very good. Let's go ahead and give Kaden a hand. Thank you very much, Kaden.
Visiting.
You want to just use that? No, let's just do, we can do it for real. Here we go. Here we go. Ready?
Visiting family.
Perfect. Let's go ahead and give it up. Thank you very much. Have a seat. Thank you, Stephen.
Hanging out with friends.
Perfect.
Hanging out with friends. Hanging out with friends.
Very good. You can have a seat. Thank you very much.
What do I love about summertime?
And then we've got
going to the beach.
Going to the beach. Let's turn him up a little bit. And we've got
Visiting family. Visiting family.
we're gonna keep that.
Visiting family.
Hanging out with friends. Hanging out with friends. Hanging out with friends.
Everybody on this side, paying attention. Everybody paying attention, right? This is where everybody else participates. Make some noise. Make some noise. Okay. So that was not good because that was screaming. What we want to do is we want to say it, right? So yeah. Right? Not screaming. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise. Make some noise. Good. Very good. Everybody over here, that's your job. Everybody on this side, pay attention. Okay? We're talking about summertime, right? And summertime is almost here. Okay? So, you guys are going to say, when I point this way, you guys are going to say, it's almost here. Got it? Very easy, right? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. It's almost here. 1, 2, 3, it's almost here. 1, 2, 3, it's almost here. If y'all love summertime, make some noise. If y'all love summertime, make some noise. Here's the last thing, and this involves everybody. When you hear,
I've been thinking.
what I want you guys to sing, and this is everybody, is, I just can't wait for summertime. I just can't wait for summertime.
I've been thinking.
Okay, you guys ready to make the song? Make some noise?
What do I love about summertime? Going to the beach. What do I love about summertime? Visiting family. What do I love about summertime?
Hanging out with friends.
If y'all love summertime, make some noise.
What do I love about summertime? What do I love about summertime? Going to the beach. What do I love about summertime? Visiting family. What do I love about summertime?
Hanging out with friends.
If y'all love summertime, make some noise. You guys remember this? This is the beat we made earlier, right?
I've been thinking. I've been thinking.
Hanging out with friends. Hanging out with friends. Hanging out with friends.
If y'all love summertime, make some noise. Thank you guys very much. My name is Eric Howe, aka DJ Inferno. Who here thought that everything you saw here today was a creative activity? Was it creative? Yes, absolutely. Why? Because we made stuff, right? We made stuff. We made stuff together, and we made stuff that did not exist before. Creative, right? Who here thinks that this also involves science? You guys should understand this by now. Science, absolutely. Technology and science and music all together, right? Who here thinks that they are creative people? Yeah? More so over here. Okay. So what I really hope, especially wishing our 8th graders off and everybody else, I really hope this one thing, guys, listen. I really hope for this one thing for you guys. I hope you guys always remember to remain creative. Remain creative in everything you do, whether it's music, whether it's art, whether it's science, whether it's writing, whatever it may be. Remain creative. You guys will be very successful. Shout out again to the 8th graders. Shout out again to all you guys. Thank you guys very much. My name is Mr. Howe. Have a good day.